Waterfall of October. Okay, let's see.
I can't see out clearly. I can get my voice more. You understand? Too soon still.
What do you mean?
Bottom of the six.
Wow. Don't jump.
You gotta give
Stay.
I give the Nationals a lot of props.